Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have self-drilling wall anchors. So I'm going to show you guys what these are, and we'll kind of explain what some of these are and show you guys how to use it. I guess I have to take the tape off of the sides. Okay, tape it onto there and onto there. Oh, I didn't get it. Okay, now I can show you what's in there. Nope, I can't. There's more tape. Okay, anything at the bottom? No. Okay, so here it kind of explains what's everything in there, but I'll just kind of go through each of these pieces and parts. So we have our traditional wall anchor. Let me hold it up here. Our wall anchor pieces where you drill a little hole, you stick these little puppies in there, and then you screw your screw into it. And as you screw it in, it kind of expands. So that's kind of the traditional one there. We have whatever color this is. I think it's a gray, we have a blue, and we have a yellow. I think that probably the only difference on those are going to be the color. Okay, then we have these. These are the ones I've been using a lot lately. This one here, you see, you kind of poke it in. It's got the little poker in there. I don't know if you can see. And then you screw it in because it has these big things, so it'll grip onto it. And you just screw it in with a Phillips screwdriver. So you just screw that in, and then once it's in, the screw goes in it just like you would have it. I don't know if there's a different size screw for any of these. They're all kind of like the same, just different lengths. Okay, so that's the number 2 kind. And then there is this kind here, which is kind of even different. This one here is like a hammer in. So you hammer this puppy in to the wall, and it goes in nice and flat and that way. And then as you screw in to it, it kind of expands the little piece around it. So it gives you a little anchor. So that's kind of a newfangled kind of thing there. Oh, it actually came with the screwdriver here. I don't know if that screwdriver is going to do a whole lot, but I guess it'll fit the screws. So this kind of screw right there, it'll fit this device here. Yeah, fits everything. So you can use this little screwdriver for everything. I guess these, it's funny, there's one of this kind of screw in this whole kit. Okay, and so we have that. It also comes with a few drill bit tips. Let me show you guys what we got here. We have a few of the Phillips head tips that go into a impact wrench, or you can stick them into a drill. Just one's shorter than the others. You can see there's a short one and 2 longer ones there. What else does this have? Looks like that's everything there. So you're all set though to get to putting things in the wall. So I have a lot of pictures to hang and stuff like that where I just want to stick some screws in the wall, and they're heavy. So this will be good for that, as well as anything else I want to be able to hang on the wall. And you can see here it says it has the 180 pieces of the expansion screws, 100 pieces of those types, 140 pieces of that, 80 pieces of that, 40 pieces of that, a whole lot of ones. All those things there. So all the stuff. So very cool. So nice little set. Going to come in handy for me for sure. Thumbs up.